Right now for part two, we're going to do the exhaust manifolds and more. Okay, well, we got some new manifolds in. And get started putting them back in there. Not cracked. Okay, well, I've got this manifold in there, and I did use gaskets. Now I know there's a controversy. Some people say to use gaskets, some don't, but this had gaskets, although they didn't look to be doing much. But I don't know that anybody's ever had this off from the factory. I believe these were factory manifolds, so I went ahead with the gaskets. I'll get started on the other side here. Alright, well, we'll get these here gasket surfaces cleaned up. Yeah, that looks pretty good. One more bolt started. Alright, all of the bolts are started and the gaskets are all in. We'll tighten them all up. Alright, now my 1/2 inch drive torque wrench won't fit in here where I need to go, so I'm going to use this 3/8 inch, and it's in inch pounds. So 240 inch pounds is 20 foot pounds, and we just start from the center and work my way out. Alright, well, there we go. I got the both exhaust manifolds on there, torqued. I'll re-torque them after it's warmed up. I don't know if I'm going to put the air conditioner pump back in because it was kind of broke anyhow. So for now I'm going to leave that all loose. And when I check out the hoses and stuff, I may need to replace those, get this thing running, see how that water pump is, and before I put that air conditioning back in there. Okay, so I've got the manifolds all in there, the exhaust pipe all in there. It's not tight, nothing's tight, everything's loose. I did pull the the converter and checked it to make sure it's not plugged. So that's where we're at here right now. Is just I've got it bolted back up, put everything back together, and move on. Well, I think they've banged into stuff here, cracked the paint a couple places. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this front bumper. Yeah, down in here, see they probably hit there. They used to have probably a bra on it. Oh yeah, we'll paint that up. Okay, so I got this bumper sanded down with 80 grit. I'm going to just keep working my way. Get a repaint on that. I can match the color pretty darn close.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain. And
alright, well I got the bumper painted. Not perfect, but it'll do. But what gets me is the shop that painted this car didn't tape the bulbs. They just left them hang down like that. You'd think they could do a better job. So yeah, I'll just take some lacquer thinner and wipe that on off of there. Alright, well I got the grills back in. And now I just need to screw them down. I got some new screws in case I need them.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
A lot better than it was. I think it looks a lot better. I don't know what I'll do on there for a front plate yet, but I'll figure something out.